In Blackboard, go to Content and click on Men on-Road Assets. This will download the file to your computer. Find the file that you just downloaded and double click on it to unzip it into a folder. Inside this folder, you will find 3 files that you will be using for this assignment. Road for the background, man, and final image. In Photoshop, go to File, Open, select the file Man, and click Open. First, we're going to use the Spot Healing Brush tool to get rid of the watermarks on the shirt and on the pants. We're not going to worry about the background because we're going to get rid of the background later. The key to using the Spot Healing Brush tool is choosing the correct size for the brush depending on which area you want to retouch. So for a large area like this, you want to use a large brush and just click once. And for these lines, you want to use a small brush and drag across the line. You also may want to zoom in so you could see a little better. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool and choose a brush size that just barely covers this large watermark. Once your brush is large enough to cover the entire watermark, simply click on that spot. Same with the spot on his pants. Now you need to make it a little bit smaller. Once you think you have the right size, just click once. Do not drag. Same for the watermarks on his elbows. Next, we will get rid of these watermark lines. For that, we're going to need a smaller brush that just covers the line. And just click and drag along the line. For areas that have wrinkles, like over here, you might just want to, instead of dragging, just click once. After you're finished retouching the watermarks, go to File, Save As, give it a different name, and click Save. Next, we will get rid of the background using Layer Mask. Go to Window and select Layers. First, unlock the layer by clicking the little lock icon over here. Then click on this button down here, which is Add Layer Mask. Make sure you select the layer mask. Make sure that your foreground color is black. choose the brush tool. As you paint with black color on the background, it will erase it. Use a larger brush for larger areas. And use a smaller brush for tight areas. And continue doing this until all the background is gone. If you accidentally got rid of an area that you didn't want to get rid of, choose a white color for your foreground and paint over that area, and it'll bring it back. Once you are done getting rid of the background, go to File, Save As, rename the file, hit Save. Go to File, Open, open the road file, go to File, Place Embedded, choose the man no background file and hit Place. Move the man in the correct position and hit Enter. Select the Move tool, hold down the Option key, click and drag to duplicate the man image. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal, and scale the image down and hit Enter. Hold down the Option key again and duplicate it. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal, and scale the image again. Make sure you match what I have as closely as possible. Repeat those steps until you matched the final image as closely as possible. When you are done, go to File, Save As, rename the file,